So we will be discussing a walk and talk. So the topic for this is, are influencers shaping or distorting public opinion? So today my guest Divansh Srivastava will be discussing about the same topic. So introduce yourself.
So hi, my name is Divansh Srivastava. I am pursuing my MBA Oil and Gas from the University of Petroleum Energy Studies.
So do influencers really shape public opinion today?
I think absolutely no. Influencers are the new age of the opinion leaders. So their content reaches millions intensely, and the people often trust them more than the traditional media.
So the second question I will be asking you is this influence always positive?
Not necessarily. Influencers can drive the awareness positively and the social change, but they cannot make the opinion, can also spread the misinformation, unrestricted standards, and the bad behaviors.
So what do people trust influencers so much?
Because their communications feels personal, relatable, and unfiltered. It creates a friends-like trust, sometimes stronger than the expert opinion.
So the last question I will be asking you. So are they shaping opinion or distorting them?
They shape opinions by starting the experiments and the discussion. They distort opinions from the facts. They backstep the engagement or sponsorship or personal agendas.
So it was a good discussion with you. So I will be concluding it.
I have the one more question and I have to make the three more questions. So they are the biggest benefit from the influencer. The speed and the connection influencers can make the complex and the topic accessible and mobilize the people faster than any traditional platform. So, and I have to make one more questions also. So, audience deals with the influencer content, not really. With balance, enjoy the content, but verify the claims and the question and the motive. Don't let popularity displace the credible. Closing line for the walk and talk. I'll say that if you want, I can also make this more dramatic, more humorous, or in the formative. Okay, thank you.